So part two of autism spectrum disorder. Part two, we're going to go over criteria B. And what that is, it's like there's a restricted or repetitive pattern of behaviors or interests, activities, and two or more of the following currently, right now, or historically. They've shown kind of like a pattern of this. They have like stereotyped or repetitive behavior or movements or use of objects. There's insistence on sameness and inflexible adherence to routine or ritualized patterns or verbal ritualized patterns, in so much that they may actually have a meltdown or temper tantrum if things aren't going exactly how they're normally going. They'll be highly restrictive and fixed interests that out of abnormal and interest or focus on something, they're going to like the same thing over and over, or they'll be it won't be an obsession, but they'll have that fixed interest in that. There's going to be hyperactive or hypo reactivity to sensory input, so that sometimes having whether it be a tactile or whether it's vision or auditory, they'll be very sensitive to that type of thing. And symptoms that may be present in early, they have to kind of be present in early development of the kid. It'll affect their relationships, not necessarily their occupations. It will later on in life when they get to an age where they could have an occupation. It'll affect them socially and, of course, educationally, which is typically the main thing of finding a school that would help someone with autism be more successful. Typically, ABA, which is applied behavioral analysis, is very effective in helping someone with autism to kind of learn how to interact socially and be able to be in an educational environment. Now, autism is it's on a spectrum too, to very mild to very severe. And of course, they may need little to support to, like an intense need for support. Of course, you want to have someone do kind of neuropsychological evaluation to kind of see if what the child would really need to support. And of course, as earlier you address this, the more likely they're to have success later on in life. Hope this helps, and have a good day.